Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having an amazing day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are in the lab. As you can see, we are in my stockpile and we are about to put together some bundles. So this video is actually a highly requested video. You guys ask me the question all the time about how you can put together bundles, price bundles, all of that good stuff, make some extra money. So this is going to be the video for you. I am about to put together about $200 worth of bundles. We'll go through at least probably 4 different bundle options that I'm going to put together to actually sell this weekend in this video. So I have a couple reasons for wanting to put together some bundles right now. One is, of course, I always want to make some money, and it's Friday, it's the weekend. Why not make some extra money? But 2 is because I have been couponing all week. If you follow this channel, then you have seen I've been pretty busy this week between Dollar General and Family Dollar. I have been loading up and stocking up. And if I was to actually try to bring in everything that I've purchased this week and put it on these shelves, it probably would not fit right now. And so that is always my indicator that I need to go on ahead and make some money and make some moves. So before I bring in that new stuff, I'm going to go on ahead and make some bundles with this stuff that is already on my shelf to create some more space. So we're going to do that together and we're going to make some money together. And before we get started actually compiling the bundles, I want to answer some frequently asked questions. So the first question I know I'm going to get is, okay, so after I make these bundles, where can I sell them? So you guys know that I'm an online seller as well as an in-person seller. I've scaled back a lot from the in-person selling with the current status and the pandemic and all of that type of stuff, which is why I have so much inventory right now. But on a normal basis, I sell online. So I'll sell on eBay, I sell on Amazon, and I sell on Mercari. But this weekend, because I want cash money, I am going to be selling in person. So I am going to be sending out the bundles that I make today. I'm going to be sending them out to my customers who I know like to purchase bundles like this on the weekend to see if they are interested. I will also post on Let Go. I can also post on Facebook Marketplace, and then I can also use OfferUp, which I really don't use too much anymore. I haven't used OfferUp in a long while, but that is another option if you are new to selling and you need to build up your customer base. And if you are going to be doing transactions with people that you don't know, I do want you guys to be mindful of a couple safety tips that you want to observe. This is why I always like to give my customers who I do know first dibs, because it is a safer transaction when you're dealing with people that you don't know. So always check your personal network, your coworkers, your friends, your family to see if they need bundles before you start reaching out to strangers to sell bundles. But if you do have to sell to strangers, then first off, always meet them in a public place. I like to meet in shopping center parking lots during daylight hours, or you can also meet them on at the post office. I love to meet people at the post office in the parking lot. You want to do it during daylight hours where there's going to be a lot of other people around. Also, you want to make sure that you let them know to pay you via PayPal or Cash App if possible. And if you can't have them pay electronically, then make sure that they bring exact change, because you don't want to have some type of transaction where you need to go into your wallet to make change or anything like that. That is a setup for the foolery. So do not do that. And then also, we are in a pandemic, so make sure that you mask up. Okay, so now let's get started on the bundles. The first bundle that I am going to make is a $25 Tide bundle. And so this is going to be a bundle where the focus of the bundle is Tide. I like to have themes to my bundle, like a Tide bundle, a Gain bundle, a household cleaning bundle, etc. But this is going to be a $25 Tide bundle. So it's going to be focused in Tide products, although it's going to have some other items in there to fill it out. So let's get started on that. Okay, so this is my first bundle, and this is a Tide bundle. You can charge anywhere from $25 to $28 for this bundle, just depending on where you live, if you're in a lower cost of living area or a higher cost of living area. I am in Georgia, so I would lean more towards the $25 mark if I want this bundle to move very fast in my area. So if somebody was to walk into Walmart here and try to pick up all of these items, they would pay about $33 before taxes are factored in. So the Tide detergent here at our Walmart is about $4.97. The Downy products are about $4.47 roughly, and some change. They're like $4 and some change. So my rationale is I'm charging them about $4 a bottle for each bottle of Tide. I'm charging them about $3 a bottle for each bottle of Downy, and that's how I'm coming up with $25. So they're getting a small discount, about 20% on each one of these products, which is the selling point for purchasing with me versus going into Walmart. Not to mention that they're also going to be able to bypass those taxes. And for me, these $25 to $28 bundles are my minimum and my starting point for being able to leave the house. And I like to try to stack up a couple of these sales together, so I'll meet two customers at the same time and sell these smaller bundles like this. So at least I can be coming home with a minimum of $50 to $75 if I've left the house, especially right now in a pandemic. So if there's any way that you can put your customers back to back when you're selling these smaller bundles, or even better yet, if you can sell smaller bundles, different smaller bundles to the same customer, even better. But you know your area. If you're living in a place like California, you can definitely add on a few dollars. But if you're down south like me and you want this bundle to move, then that $25 mark is the sweet spot for this bundle. Something else you also want to factor in is how much you've actually spent to purchase these items after coupon. And you want to factor in everything: your cost of coupon, your time to get to the store, all of that. For me, my cost of acquiring these specific items was about $7. So I'm factoring in that it cost me about $7 to put this bundle together. So when I'm reselling it for $25, I know that I'm making an $18 profit for selling this bundle. If you are someone who can sell it for a higher price, then you may be making a $20+ profit for this bundle. But as our bundles get bigger, our profits will also get bigger. So let me show you a couple more bundles. All right, so this is a pretty Gain bundle for my Gain gang. So I don't know about you guys, but I have a lot of customers who love Gain products. So I try to stay well stocked on Gain. So this bundle is $40, and even though it looks very substantial, and it is pretty substantial, when you factor in how much this would cost if a customer was to go into a store and purchase this full price, they would pay a little bit, they would pay about $50, so a little bit less than $50 to acquire all of these items. The dish soap that you see is $2 a piece. The Gain laundry detergents are about $5 a piece. The Mr. Clean Freak is $5. The Big Fabric Softener is about $7.50. The dryer sheets are about $4.50. That's 105 count. The Febreze are about $3 a piece, and then the Gain Flings are about $4 a piece. So when you factor in taxes, a customer would probably spend about $50 to pick up all of these items. So once again, I'm charging them $40. They are getting a 20% discount for purchasing these items with me. Now, if you live in an area where you can add on a few extra dollars, definitely add on a few extra dollars. But for me, about $40 would be the sweet spot for this bundle. And you have some people in my area, believe it or not, who believe in charging like 40 to 50% less than what Walmart charges. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm not doing that. I feel like a 20% discount is more than fair, especially in the pandemic where people don't want to be at the store anyway. So I feel like this is a great price. Now, what you want to also factor in once again is how much did you spend on these items. For me, all of these items cost me about $12. So when I subtract that 12 from the $40 that I'm charging, this gain bundle leaves me with a profit of $28. So from this bundle, from the last one, we're making $10 more because this is a bigger bundle. So now let's get into my favorite type of bundle, and that is a household bundle. So for this bundle that I'm about to show you, I would charge anywhere from $45 to $50, truly just depending on your area, and once again, the cost of items and living in your area. Here in Georgia, this is a $45 bundle all day long. Now it may look like a whole bunch of items for $45, but once again, you have to factor in the cost. So a lot of these items are lower price items, like the Tide Simply, like the Airwick items. These are items that are substantial and that everybody uses, but they don't cost that much. So if a customer was to go in and purchase all of these items, including the paper products, we have Charmin and Bounty Essentials in here, they would spend anywhere from $55 to $60 just depending on where you live. Here, if I calculated this all up, it would cost about $55 prior to taxes. So I'm giving them a $10 discount on this bundle by purchasing it with me once again. And what I love about selling these bundles personally is I get to add in a bunch of items that didn't cost me anything. So the Tide Simply products did not cost me anything. You guys know that those were free 99 at Walgreens for almost the entire month of July. The toothpaste is a free item. The Vaseline is a free item. The Airwick is a free item. So this particular bundle was a very low cost of acquisition for me because it is full of so many different free items. The items that really cost me anything at all are the paper products that I have to factor in, and items like the Pine Sol. But even with those factored in and everything added up, this cost me about $10 max to put together. So even charging $45, I am leaving out with a $35 profit on flipping this bundle. So as you can see, as the bundles get bigger, so does your profit. And now I'm going to show you probably my biggest bundle that I sell that has more higher end items in it. Okay, so this last bundle is similar to the last one that I just showed you. However, it has higher end items in it. So you got a Big Dove body wash in here. You have the red Tide instead of the yellow Tide. You have higher end paper products. So I have Viva in here. I have Cottonelle. And for that reason, this bundle would be anywhere from $70 to $75. And I do have some customers who like the higher end products, so they have to pay the higher end money. Now with a bundle like this, once again, just like with all of the other bundles, you want to factor in that increased cost. So for all of these items, I paid anywhere from like $18 to $20 to acquire all of these items. So I want to factor that in when it comes to my pricing and what I'm reselling this for. So if I resell this bundle for $70 and it costs me $20 to acquire all of these items, then I am leaving with a $50 profit for this bundle. And I personally think this is a great deal because for a lot of customers, they would not be able to walk into the store and get some of the items that are included in this bundle, like the Lysol and things like that. So you're offering them a convenience factor along with a great price, because the full price for this bundle, if you were to go into a store and buy it, depending on where you live, is anywhere from $85 to $90. So even charging $70 to $75, they're still getting a great discount on these items. So that is 4 different bundles that I plan on flipping this weekend. And if you live where I live, and I know a lot of you guys know the area that I live in, if you know you live close to me and you want to pick up one of these bundles this weekend and meet me somewhere, just let me know. You can email me using my email address that is in the description box, and I will meet you, because I'm definitely going to be flipping and getting to the money this weekend. But you will have to pay me ahead of time, and trust and believe I do not play the back and forth with a million questions and changing out items. I'm not one of those type of sellers. We got to keep it quick and concise, and we got to keep it moving, because time is money. I hope you guys will handle your business in the same way, and do not let people waste your time or your money. Do not play with people who are asking a million and one questions questions. Is your product legit? Where are you getting things from? Do not entertain those people. The people who are asking all those types of questions are people who don't plan on buying anything. Stay focused on your customers who are ready to go, and also don't play with people who are showing up late or who keep moving your appointment or your meeting times around. Don't play with that either. Keep it quick and concise. Make people pay you up front if you can, and keep it moving, because I want you guys to be successful in this. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if it was. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.